Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Firstly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of all future videos. Subscribe link is down there. And today we're going to look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design. This one is 1/48 Beechcraft C-45s. Okay, so let's have a look inside the bag, see what we get. As I said before, Beechcraft C-45 by Iliad Design, 1/48 scale. And for this kit, there's a couple of kit options to look for. The ICM version, I think, is the most recent, and there's also one by Revell as well. Let's have a look inside, see what we get. It's a resealable bag. And there's a bit of space in here so you can get things in and out easy enough, which is nice. So one decal sheet and one double-sided colour sheet of paper. So you get 3 decal options. If you have 3 kits, you can do all 3 decal options from what's on the decal sheet. The only thing you need to watch for is like the extra little lumps and bumps, aerials and the like for these versions to make sure they match the kit. There will be some little differences on some of these versions. So this obviously is a medical aircraft. This one's mid-1960s. This one's 1946. Some nice details about little hints about things, pointing out no de-icers on the fins, little idiosyncrasies of the aircraft as well. This aircraft, the middle one, has the longer nacelles, which you don't get as part of the Revell or the ICM kits. They have the shorter nacelles. Basically, that's the wartime version. The C-45, well, some of them are still flying today, but after the war, they tended to have the longer nacelles, like this one. If we turn over the sheet, you'll see what I mean. Because what I've also done, you can see here, this is some resin by Belka Bits from another Canadian company, same as Iliad Decals. And see, looking from above, the nacelles are longer, and there's like the leading edge of the wings is further forward as well. So if you want to do that version, and actually probably quite a lot of other post-war versions, you'll need a conversion set like this. But it looks pretty straightforward, just swapping out the back half of the nacelles and the leading edge of that part of the leading edge of the wing. Should be good. And in here on the back here, it shows you where the decals on top and beneath the aircraft go. The ones underneath are shown here, but they're faded, so you can see exactly where they go. And also a bit of description here of the Astrodome, exactly what it should look like. So there's plenty of detail here for the look of things. If you want to read these for yourselves, have a look on the website. The link is underneath, and I'll put copies of scans of these there. Now the decal sheet, I'll just put a scan up of that right now and scroll through it. As you can see, there's everything you might need. I'm not sure if stencils come with the 2 kits, but you might need some stencils from the kits themselves. But other than that, the big decals are all here. Everything looks quite nice. Very small backing film. Might be able to trim it a little bit in places, but not much at all. There's hardly any backing film there, apart from the numbering, of course, which use the backing film to keep things lined up. But it looks very nice. So overall, nice if you've got a Beechcraft C-45 in the stash. This decal sheet will certainly make it look different. It's a nice decal sheet to give you some variety, something that the kit manufacturers haven't done yet. So many thanks to Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at. There'll be a link to Iliad Design's website where you can get these underneath the video as well, and they're pretty well priced as well, actually. So see you in the next video.